If I told you dinner for a family of 5 could cost less than your Starbucks latte and a croissant and take 5 minutes, would you believe me? Let's do this. Hey, it's Joy, your pantry bestie's offspring, and my mom is a professional dinner escapist, which includes recruiting me. But I don't mind. Plus, I'd rather not be outside trenching like her. So chili it is. Recipe on loadedpotato.org, link below. Today we're making her 5-minute chicken bean chili that feeds 5 people for just $2.21 a person. No fridge, no dicing, no crying, just delicious pantry magic. A 14-year-old can make this. You can too. Here's what you need. 2 cups of instant rice, 1 can of chicken, 1 can of pinto beans, 1/4 cup of dehydrated onions, 1/2 a cup of bacon bits, 1 can of diced green chilies, 1/2 a cup of freeze-dried mozzarella, 1 can of chicken soup, 1/4 cup powdered milk, 1/2 a tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1/2 a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 a teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper. Step 1. Pour 2 cups of boiling water over 2 cups of instant rice in a glass bowl. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Step 2. While the rice cooks, add your freeze-dried cheese to a bowl with a bit of water. Let it rehydrate for about 10 minutes. This will be your cheesy topper later. Step 3. Drain your chicken, beans, and green chilies, toss them into a pot. Step 4. Add your can of cream of chicken soup, stir it, mix your powdered milk. Step 5. Now season it up. Dry onions, bacon bits, Italian seasoning, garlic, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir well. Put on the stove on medium-high and let it heat through for 10 minutes. Step 6. By now your rice should be soft and fluffy. You can mix it all together if your pot's big enough, or serve a scoop of rice with a hearty ladle of chili on top. Top it with that melty, rehydrated mozzarella cheese, and boom, dinner is served. And you did it faster than your kids can say, "I'm hungry." This recipe proves you don't need a fridge or a ton of time to feed your family real food. That's what we do at loadedpotato.org, helping you escape dinner jail 1 pantry meal at a time. Follow for more shelf-stable meals that save money, sanity, and your last nerve. loadedpotato.org.